5,000 materials saved locally, all with material setups that you can port across to other engines. Yes, please. Now, for those of you who have been following me for quite some time, know that I've been building up this kind of like little sci-fi city, and this is a perfect example of using the 5,000 plus materials to quickly texture our environment. Created a street, paths, you can see I'm finding a metal material to slap it on there. We're looking at door handles, assigning materials. Very quickly, we can create something that looks nice, great, and it's all local, where we can either append it to the blend file or keep it separate, however you want to do it. Very quickly, you can port between all the material libraries. Also for the fact that it works in both Eevee and cycles. So just a great list of materials. If you want, you can see nylon cord. Oh, that's interesting. You can see kind of just how quick it is to be able to bring in these materials. I see ground, that's interesting. Let's actually throw on a ground. And also in the comment section, let me know what other add-ons you want me to be looking at. Brown rock.